The most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Tom Harris.
It wasn't the best day to be outdoors. We definitely saw quite a bit of cloud cover, some rain. The further south of Corpus Christi, the heavier the rainfall. This is what it looked like in the Kingsville area, where they picked up about 3/10 of an inch of rain. Our weather bug camera brought to you by Nissan GMC. But the weather up north, take a look at these pictures coming out across parts of the Great Lakes area. They are in Arctic bitter cold wave that's impacting much of the folks up there. Wind chill temperatures 30 to 40 degrees below zero. Some areas now even getting above zero today, but boy, it sure makes for some beautiful pictures. Right now we're looking at 57 degrees with some light rain coming down at the airport. The winds are out of the southeast at 6 miles per hour. High temperature today 65 degrees. Mild start with 57 degrees. Not a whole lot of rainfall at the airport when that was taken. 58 is the current temperature in Rockport, 57 in Orange Grove, 56 in Kingsville. Now we are seeing winds out of the southeast about 10 to 15 miles per hour. As we move into the overnight hours, we're going to see a weak front come through. Then the winds are going to shift to the northwest. That's going to push some of this moisture out of here, and it looks like we'll see a little better weather conditions for your Sunday. Not a lot of wind though on our Sunday. Here's a look at the combination radar and satellite imagery, and you can see we're right on the line right here. A lot of heavier rainfall down to our south. We have had some batches of rain come through that were pretty heavy. Most of that now moving out to the island, but most of this started down toward the south and started moving northward. If you were north of Corpus Christi, again, you didn't see a whole lot of that wet weather. You can see the line right here with the heaviest shower activity in some of the communities like Rivera, Kingsville, Falfurrias, picking up about a quarter an inch to a half an inch of rain. Now, we are going to continue to see the cloudy skies overnight, but this front's going to push some of that moisture out of here, so we will see improving weather conditions for your Sunday. Might see a little bit of shower activity also forming up across parts of the hill country. That could come down tomorrow morning as well, but clearing, as I mentioned, in the afternoon. Monday, fantastic. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the lower 70s, but we've got that Arctic front that's impacting the Midwest. That's going to be coming down here. We'll see the tail end of it. That's going to move through Monday night into Tuesday, bringing much cooler conditions for us for the middle part of the work week. As far as the rain overnight, might see a swath of about a 1/10 of an inch of rain to maybe 1/4 of an inch. Some areas about a 1/2 an inch of rain. That'll taper off tomorrow. Mild temperatures across much of Texas. 50 in Dallas, 58 in Houston, 46 degrees up in Amarillo. Here's what's happening around the rest of the country. It's pretty quiet to the west, a little cloudy out along the west coast, but we're seeing some heavy rain and some flooding rains across parts of Florida. But the main story is here across the upper Ohio Valley and the Midwest. You can see all this snow flying across parts of Michigan, Indiana this evening, and bitterly cold temperatures. You can see that in place right here. It's about 5 degrees right now in Minneapolis, Chicago, about 10 degrees. And as that colder air starts to move southward again, we're just going to get the tail end of it, but it will be cooling us down quite a bit. Here's a look at our forecast though for tonight. Showers likely with some patchy fog. Look for an overnight low right around 48 degrees for tomorrow. Morning rain possible, then afternoon clearing. A high temperature again right around 67 degrees. Light winds out of the northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy. Monday is going to be fantastic, 72 degrees. Then here comes the stronger front. It's going to be very windy with it. On Tuesday, looking for a high temperature only in the upper 40s. We could see some near freezing to freezing temperatures early Wednesday morning. A gradual warm up, however, as we get closer to next weekend.